name's Mike Higgins with how does anyone know how to pronounce Excelitas? I thought Phoseon was difficult until I started working with Excelitas, and now everybody's trying to figure it out. So the correct pronunciation is Excelitas. So in February of last year, Phoseon was acquired by Excelitas. And in January of this year, Excelitas acquired the Heraeus NobleLight business. So we're going to continue to sell under the brand names Phoseon, NobleLight, and OmniCure. And we're going to continue to produce the products in the same facilities that they have been produced in over the years with the same great quality and service that everyone has come to know. And we really do know UV. This is our primary business, and a combination of years and years of experience really gives us a great opportunity ahead to continue to push this industry. So the Phoseon product line consists of both air-cooled and water-cooled UV LED products. The air-cooled at 395 nanometers are up to 20 watts per centimeter squared. And in the water-cooled side of things, we go up to 30 watts per centimeter squared. We do manufacture 385, 405, and 365. And we're doing a little bit in UVC, and I can talk a little bit more about that in a minute. From an OmniCure perspective, we've got the S series as well as the LX series. The S series spot curing unit is a lamp-based spot curing unit, whereas the LX series would be an LED-based spot curing unit. These also have radiometers that are very specific to these spot curing sources, and it's very important from a calibration perspective to be able to take accurate output measurements on a regular basis. There's also the AC series of products, which are somewhat similar to the Phoseon air-cooled products, but offer some unique advantages from a optical perspective. On the NobleLight side of things, NobleLight's been a wonderful brand fusion over the years that's got a very, very large install base, and the plan is to always continue to support that install base. The latest power supplies, the Mark II and the Mark III, offer some significant advantages over power supplies from the past. They're extremely efficient, 99% efficient, and about a quarter of the weight of some of the older power supplies. So everything too is also backwards transferable. So real exciting stuff going on that side of the business as well. So if we take a look at all of these companies and putting them together, one of the real advantages that we've got are more test centers all around the world that have lots of experience with not just UV, but also with IR, and then of course, with LED. So we can do development work at one of our regional facilities, or all of the companies have always been very customer forward, where we can actually come out and work at your facility and help with the development process, whether you're transitioning from a thermal cure to a UV process or from a traditional UV to a UV LED process. Custom solutions has been an area that the Heraeus NobleLight business has been extremely successful with through the years and really differentiated that product line from others. The goal is to just continue to support that and enhance it by offering even more custom solutions that are going to meet the needs of the various different markets that we are working in. And then if you're going to offer a custom solution, you also have to service and support that, which is another key aspect to growing the business moving forward. And finally, training is extremely important to make sure that operators understand what they're getting with their equipment and how best to operate it to take advantage of the longevity. So if you think about taking all of the great aspects from the Phoseon business, the OmniCure business, and now the NobleLight business and combining them together, you can really see how we're going to be able to put together some very unique solutions. And the goal is to continue to enable new applications that want to transition from thermal cured to UV and make that process as seamless as possible. The last talk on UVC was really fascinating, and it's great to see that we anticipate increased output and better performance in the years to come. And that's going to help. We do have a UVC LED system available today. It's at 278 nanometers. It's about 2 to 4 watts per centimeter squared. And when used in combination with high-powered UVA, you have a decent solution there. I think we still all want more power out of UVC and should continue to see that over the coming years. as well as a decrease in some of the costs over time. From a microwave perspective, the H++ bulb is now available. It is offering 10% more UVC output than the H+ version. But if you include the new reflector that comes with that system, now you're enhancing the UVC output by another 30%. So a significant increase in power output with the H++ bulb, and is fully backwards transferable into, if you're replacing an H+, you can go H++ and you're all set. So moving forward, we really want to continue to drive the UV industry and support customer development all around the world. We are located at the front of the building here with, I just realized, the tallest monolith sign in the facility here. So I encourage anyone that wants to talk more specifically about a project or any other questions you may have, please feel free to come by the booth at any point throughout the next couple days.